minus 1 whole to the power of r into 6cr into x to the power of. So here 6 is a constant, I want to write as it is. Then now simplifying minus r and minus r, which are the like terms. So here minus 1r and minus 1r. So here the coefficient will be of 1 and here the coefficient will be of 1. So minus of minus will be plus. Let us add up. 1 plus 1 is of 2, that is 2r. Then now, so you have to assess the sign here, both are of same, the like terms with same coefficients. So here the same sign will be assessed here. Then now, since we have to find out the term which is free from x, this x must be diminished, because here minus 1 is a constant and 6cr is also constant. So x is a variable. So here we have to find out a constant term which is free from x. So here in order to find out, so here in order to find constant term or term which is free from x, x must be diminished. So diminished mean, so here x must be totally it must become 1. So here we know x to the power of 0 as 1. So here x must be diminished, that is x to the power of 0 value is equals to 1. So here 1 is not a, what I say here, x, that is the variable. So here x is diminished here. So here when x to the power of 0, that is exponent must be equated to 0, exponents must become 0, then only what I say here x will be diminished. So here the exponent of this, I mean x is of 6 minus 2r. So here 6 minus 2r must become this 0. So here x power 0 is equals to 1. So that implies, so here x to the power of 6 minus 2r must be is equals to x to the power of 0. So here 6 minus 2r is equals to 2r equals to 0. So here 6 minus 2r must be equated to 0. So here the next logical step will be of, since 6 minus 2r is equals to 0, then now minus 2r is equals to, so here 6 is of positive. When positive 6 is transposed over to the right hand side, then now it becomes minus 6. Then now here minus and minus will be gets cancelled. So in order to find out this r value, so r is equals to 6. Then now 2 is multiplied with r. So into 2, when it is transposed over to the right hand side, so it will become divided by 2. Then now, so here 2 1s in the denominator and 2 3s in the numerator. So that is 3 by 1 is equals to 3. So in this manner I got r value as 3. So let us substitute this r is equals to 3 in t r plus 1. So t r plus 1 is equals to, t r plus 1 is equals to minus 1 to the power of r into 6cr into x to the power of 6 minus 2r. So here we can substitute in this minus 1 to the power of r into x to the power of into 6cr into x to the power of 6 minus 2r. Then now, so by replacing r value in this condition, that is minus 1 to the power of r into 6cr into x to the power of 6 minus 2r. So here at r is equals to 3, then the next logical step will be of, so t r plus 1, that is r is equals to 3 plus 1 is equals to t, 3 plus 1 is of 4 is equals to minus 1 to the power of, so r is equals to 3 into 6c, r is equals to 3 again into x value x to the power of 6 minus 2r, 6 minus 2 into r is of 3 again. So that implies minus repeatedly multiplied thrice, 3 is of odd number, so minus remains minus itself, that is minus 1, 63. So here let us find out the value of 63, that is equals to 6 factorial overall divided by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So it can be given by means of 6 factorial as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 overall divided by 6 minus 3 is of 3, that is 3 factorial, 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 factorial again, 1 into 2 into 3. So by cancellation 1 into 2 into 3 and 1 into 2 into 3 will be gets cancelled, then 2 3 is of 6 and 1 6 will be gets cancelled, then that is equals to 4 5 is of 20 overall divided by 1, so 20 by 1 is of 20. So in this manner I got 63 value as 20. So instead of 63 I can write it as 20 into x to the power of 6 minus 2 3 is of 6. So that implies minus 20 1 is of 20 into x to the power of 6 minus 6 is of 0. So here in this manner we will be getting the next logical step as that implies minus 20 into x to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So here based upon, so your identity, that is x power 0 is equals to 1. So here next logical step will be of, so that implies minus 20 into 1 is of 20. So here in this there is no x, so it is only a constant. So in this manner that fourth term will be the constant in the binomial expansion. So here the next logical step will be of constant term or independent term or term free from x of the binomial, that is x minus 1 by x whole power 6 is minus 20. So in this manner we got, skip. So minus 20 is the constant term